How to redeem NFL Sunday ticket from Verizon. Now, if you qualify for either buy a 5G phone, a bring your phone, or switch to Verizon Home Internet, if you qualify to have the NFL Sunday ticket, you'll always receive um, an email confirming that you get or how you can redeem your code from NFL Sunday ticket directly to your Verizon account. So for you to be able to have it redeemed, all you can do is to access that email, and there is an instruction right up there. But if you don't have received one, and if you already have the redemption code, then this is what you will do. Now you have to use the link in the email to sign in or to log into your Verizon account, and then just head straight, whether if you're from a mobile 5G Home Plus or LTE Home Plus customer, or just simply make the most of your plans be selected. Now choose an NFL Sunday ticket redemption tile and then just choose on claim offer. And just have to read out the terms and conditions on Verizon and provide consent for Verizon to access your Google account. And that's pretty much it. Just simply hit on continue and you can go ahead and access your NFL Sunday ticket from YouTube or YouTube TV. And that is how you redeem NFL Sunday ticket from Verizon.